Are you making the most of your allowable deductions? Individuals can claim for general work-related expenses as well as occupation-specific expenses and working from home. Make sure to book in a time to prepare your 2023 tax return and will help you maximise your return this year. Hi everyone, my name is Mimi Bowie, the Client Director at Solution Accountants. And in this video, we'll talk about some of the tax tips related to individuals for the 2023 financial year. Although your tax return is still not due for a few months, get ahead by preparing all the documents required so that your tax return can be a smooth process and that we can actually iron through some things that you're missing as well. And if you're eligible for a refund, then it's better that it's in your bank account and not the Australian Taxation Office. Now, the ATO receives information from your employers about your salary and wages directly for what you've been paid for the financial year. So you're not looking out for any of those old-fashioned group certificates or payment summaries, etc. All of that will be contained in your MyGov. Now, you need to declare all income, even if it's a small amount, okay? So from all sources in your tax return as well. And you need to have documents and statements to show and support your claims, okay? So your wages, your annuities, government payments, interest income, etc., dividends. Now those are more than likely already contained within your MyGov data, but any business or hobby income, we need to compile those incomes. If there's any compensation or insurance payouts, make sure to make us aware, and we'll check through the tax implications on those. So for work-related expenses, employees are entitled to claim work-related expenses as a tax deduction. Now, to claim a tax deduction, you must have spent the money, okay, out of your own funds, and not have been reimbursed by your employer in any way. Now, the expenses must relate to your earnings as an employee, okay? So make sure you have the invoices, the receipts as proof of payment for any work-related expenses. Expenses that you may be able to claim include vehicle, travel expenses, so be sure to use a travel diary to record the details of your trips taken for employment, clothing, laundry or dry cleaning expenses for occupation-specific clothing, uniforms with a logo or protective gear. Now, self-education expenses, so some education expenses that relate to your current employment are claimable. Tools and equipment, so if you buy gear to help you in your job, this may be claimable. So small tools of trade, protective items, professional references or resources, and laptops are some examples of equipment that you may be able to claim. Make sure to book a time with our office to prepare for your 2023 tax return, and we'll make it as smooth and stress-free as possible and walk through step by step using our know-how, our checklists, what you may be eligible for to maximize your claim. Be sure to get in touch, and bye for now.